is the crocheting method for the 7th round. 3 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, 14 double crochets, 16 double crochets, 14 double crochets, 14 double crochets, slip stitch. There are 60 stitches in total for this round. Let's crochet the 7th round. First, we make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 chain stitches. Then crochet 2 more double crochets. Yarn over the hook in the first stitch. 1 double crochet is done. Put on a stitch marker. Crochet a double crochet in the next stitch as well. 2 double crochets completed. Now we need to crochet 14 double crochets in this big hole of the chain stitches. 14 double crochets. Yarn over the hook and insert into the big hole. Pull the yarn out from the big hole. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook from bottom to top. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Complete the double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook through the big hole. Thread over. Pull the thread out from the big hole. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Thread over and pull through 2 loops. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Complete the 2nd double crochet. Follow this pattern to finish 14 double crochets. Now we've finished 14 double crochets. You can count the stitches. Next, continue to crochet 16 double crochets. Now 16 double crochets have been completed. Continue to crochet 14 double crochets in this big hole. Now 14 double crochets have been finished. Next, we finish crocheting the remaining stitches. There are 14 double crochets in total. Now we have completed the crocheting of 14 double crochets. Now let's work the slip stitch. We take off the stitch marker. Insert the needle into the stitch. Take out the white yarn and put it underneath. Catch the white yarn. Pull through these 2 loops in one go. We cut the green yarn. This round is now complete.